Hello and welcome back again to another class of CSS. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add different borders inside our web pages. So, like we can insert border style to any of our paragraphs, a table, or different headings. All right. So you can add borders wherever you want it inside your uh, pages. So let's get started. Okay, so the border style property. So to add a border, we have to use border style property, uh, which specify what kind of border to display. So the following are some of the border style we can use. So out here, some of the examples are you can use border style none. So if you use none, it doesn't define any border. That means there will be no border. After that, if we use a border style dotted, it will define in a dotted dash solid groove double bridge inset and outset. So all are some of the border style we can use inside our pages. All right, so let us look into an example. So these are the examples you can use border styles inside the paragraphs. So for example, you want to insert a paragraph to, a border to a paragraph. We can define it like P as your selector. After that, border style as a property, and then its value as a dotted. If you want a dotted border style, or a dash, solid, double groove, or so on. So all of this out here, what in this table, what we have shown, we are explaining the examples out here. This is how we can use different border style inside your HTML pages. So let us look into an example out here. So in this example, I have an HTML page, and then out here I have one paragraph, and then I want to add a border. So out here I have selected this paragraph as my selector. After that, border style. So since we want to add borders, you have to use the property name as a border style. After that, you can use out here in this example I have given dotted. So if you do not want to add a dotted, you can use those groove, ridge, and so on. All right. So after that, if you want to add a color, you can give a color green, blue, so on. So it will have this one. So actually I like we can add border color green. All right, so out here everything is green because under this paragraph we are defining the color, so that's why it is changing both the font color as well as a border color. So if you want to have a different border color, you can use a border hyphen color. All right, so this is how to add a color to, a border style to any of your elements inside your HTML pages. So make sure to select the correct elements. So like instead of using element directly, you can use different IDs or different classes, and then using that one you can add a border. All right, now Css Boder width. So out here by default we are getting this size as our border. So if you want to add a border size, the border width property, right? Border width property specify the width of the four borders, and then to this width it can be set a specific size. So the border size, it can be an pixel, point, centimeter, em, etc. All right, or by using one of the predefined values, like you can use thin, medium, or thick. All right, the size of the border. So let's look into an example out here. Out here I have the same HTML page. All right, I have one paragraph, and then I want to add a border. So out here I have selected paragraph as my element, border property, border style as a groove. After that, I have set the border width as a medium. All right, so it will have a medium border size. All right, so that's how we can manipulate to add a different borders to our pages, as well as change the color, or else change the thickness of a border. All right, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.